Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rootnetwork token. Ticker symbol is ROOT. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting November 21st. We're going to go over the information on the Rootnetwork token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Rootnetwork. So this token is being listed November 21st at 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate.io. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then go into the trade section November 21st, search Root, and then simply just buy the token. Now their Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project. At the Rootnetwork on Twitter. It says a public decentralized blockchain network optimized for metaverse apps, games, and experiences. The Root token. And then it has a link to their webpage right here, therootnetwork.com. They have 185 tweets so far, gold verified checkmark, 23,100 Twitter followers. So they're off to a great start here. Now, if you go over to their webpage, you can find all sorts of different white papers over there. If you click on white paper, you can find 5 different white papers. There's all sorts of different things involved in this ecosystem. You can find some info on their webpage here. You could also find an accelerator, info about the Root token, Root staking, partnerships, features. But if you click on docs, over there you could find a document section specifically about the Rootnetwork. It says use the Rootnetwork's L1 blockchain with its core, UX, and digital content-focused protocols to build seamless user experiences with enhanced asset interoperability across the open metaverse. Then you can also find asset registry documentation if you want to check that out as well. But yeah, that's where the Root's documents are. You can find them under docs there, and then you could read tons of info about the Rootnetwork, or you could just go to docs.therootnetwork.com. So at the heart of the network infrastructure and protocols in the open metaverse is the Rootnetwork TRN. The Rootnetwork is the core blockchain infrastructure designed with a strong emphasis on user onboarding, aiming to improve the Web3 experience. So it seems like technically this is a coin and not a token, although, you know, you will hear people like me use coin and token interchangeably sometimes. Technically this is a coin. While initial onboarding in Web3 lacks user-friendliness and safety features compared to Web2, once users are onboarded, Web3 offers superior privacy and flexibility in handling assets and data. So the Rootnetwork has the following main elements. Number 1 is the substrate core. So the Rootnetwork uses substrate at its core. Substrate has 2 major advantages: a large, well-established developer community and the technical capability to customize the chain runtimes to optimize for user experience. Number 2, they have EVM support for smart contracts. So EVM runs within the Rootnetwork protocol and is able to read Solidity smart contracts and execute them. This gives the Rootnetwork developers access to smart contract functionality and also means that any code previously written on Ethereum can now run natively on the Root network. So the EVM development ecosystem provides the broadest possible support for smart contracts and dApps, as well as compatibility with existing collections and collectibles in the NFT ecosystem. So our custom runtimes, which is number 3 here, the custom runtimes, they are for non-fungible assets, gas economy, fungible assets, decentralized exchange, oracles, and more, and will provide the ingredients for creators to build applications and content without being a smart contract developer. They also can provide a world-class onboarding experience. And number 4 utility here for the Root network is the non-fungible asset runtime. So the Root network NFT runtime provides a single unified network-wide experience for NFTs. In other networks, NFTs exist at the individual contract layer. In the Root network, NFTs exist in a core network runtime. This provides a common standard to build interoperability. A uniform approach to minting, royalties, and structuring, especially in the metadata and content formats, is essential for delivering the asset interoperability people imagine at the application layer. So the NFT runtime also has unique features like network-wide royalty enforcement, native multi-wallet, split and tiered royalties for creators, native NFTs to NFT swaps, native static and cold minting options, build NFT dApps without needing to develop or deploy smart contracts. Fees from the NFT runtime are distributed to network stakers and validators. The Root network also integrates the Xrpl LS20 NFT standard as a runtime, enabling compatibility with the Xrpl NFT ecosystem and infrastructure. Then another utility, the multi-token economy. So the Root network has a unique multi-token economy that enables the optimization of both gas and initial user onboarding. In traditional single-token networks, high or unpredictable gas fees create significant challenges for users, impacting their overall experience. Additionally, the need to understand and obtain gas for transactions poses a considerable barrier for new users entering decentralized applications within Web3. The Root network introduces a unique multi-token system where the primary network token Root is separated from the gas token. XRP sourced from a partnership with Ripple and the Xrpl. This separation enables efficient network operation and fosters liquidity for block rewards. The network addresses the user problem of complex gas acquisition by implementing an in-chain gas fee exchange, allowing users to use their native token of the application or have developers pay gas fees on their behalf through liquidity pools. This innovative approach ensures smoother user onboarding without the necessity of comprehending the network's underlying economy or engaging with external exchanges. Then we have fungible assets. Like the NFT runtime, users can create and launch standardized fungible tokens without having to deploy a smart contract code, and compatible with Xrpl fungible tokens. 1% of each new asset created in the fungible assets runtime is distributed to network node validators as a fee. And then we have decentralized exchange. So the network exchange runtime provides an in-chain DEX with a rich set of features that enables users and developers to trade collectibles, build liquidity pools, and launch token price discovery without having to deploy a smart contract code. Exchange fees are collected by node validators. The in-chain DEX will also be integrated to the Xrpl DEX to draw liquidity from the bootstrap to the network liquidity. And then lastly, we have liquidity and collectible bridges. So the Root network natively supports collectible bridges through its general purpose bridging runtime. This means, for example, fluff world assets on the Ethereum network or fungibles and non-fungible assets on the Xrpl can be bridged to the Root network to gain additional utility. These two networks will live at launch, but others can be added to as the ecosystem grows. The Root network can also act as a hub for the substrate based on Xrpl-based networks. This would apply to people who want to build interoperable content in the ecosystem, but require their own meta app chain. So they have a very, very detailed tokenomics. You could stake this token. They have a staking website, staking.therootnetwork.com. So that's one of the features there. But yeah, there's bootstrap rewards from the gas and network fees. They have a high-level overview of the tokenomics, but if you want to review all the info, they have different features like EVM smart contract, any token gas, identity and smart wallet protocols, decentralized exchange, on-chain assets, on-chain collectible protocols, staking, Ethereum bridge, Xrpl bridge. They have getting started guides, all sorts of stuff. Go over to docs.therootnetwork.com to learn more. And you can find this token, the Root token, newly listed on gate.io starting tomorrow, November 21st, 10 o'clock UTC time. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.